Hey friends, welcome to the YouTube channel. This is going to be the second installment in the Coilgun series, which is just going to be documenting me building a 3-stage and hopefully powerful Coilgun. This time I'm going to be drawing up the 3D models and 3D printing it. I'm not going to lie, the 3D printing stuff is kind of cool, so you probably want to watch until then. So I'm at my desk and the software of choice is Fusion 360, mainly because it's free. Fusion 360 just seems very professional, you know what I mean? Okay, enough talking, let's get into it. Okay, so I know this is kind of a lot, so I'm just gonna break it down into like pieces, you know what I mean? So, battery box, kind of intuitive, it stores batteries. I will have 3 sets of 4 18650 lipos. No, lipos, lithium ions, yeah. Here is the high voltage scary box. I forgot to film B-roll because, I don't know, and I kind of jumped the gun and I started building it. So, boom, I'm skipping the battery box, and this is the high voltage scary box. And I need to print the side and the top. So kind of jumped the gun a little bit, but you know, it's really fun assembling it. So yeah. Here's the handle. It's kind of intuitive. It's just a handle, and there's 3 buttons: one for laser, one for charge, and one for shoot. And here's the display panel where, you know, it's just a panel with displays on them. They're just a bunch of voltmeters, and one of them is gonna be an SSD 1306, which means that I can use an Arduino and see like the bullet speed and everything, which is gonna be like super cool. Here is the other box of electronics. This is not the scary box, it's more like the Arduino, and scary in a way that it's not like it'll kill you, but it's scary because it's really complicated. So yeah. And here's the actual like coil part of the coil gun. So here are the barrels and here are the coils. Did you guys know that midway through my 18-hour long print, my extruded plastic extruder arm cracked? Yeah, whose idea was it to make it plastic? Such a dumb idea. I don't know, man. The quality of the N3V2 is mid. Parts just break left and right, and I always have to spend my precious time, money, and energy buying replacement parts and installing that said replacement part. Anyways, the printer is not the best, but my modeling skills are also not the best. So yeah, like this printer works and it prints like pretty fast because I fit it with a fucking fat nozzle, bro. I fit it with a fat nozzle and a thick layer height, and it prints crazy fast. Like this part right here, 8 hours. 8 hours, what the hell, 8 hours? Remember how I said like 1 second ago how my modeling skills weren't the best? Well, I'm test fitting some stuff and things just seemed kind of wrong. This hole right here, this is not centered. This is a bit scooched to the your left. It's your left, the viewer's left, but my right. Right? I don't know. Okay, just this way, okay, this way. And this hole is too small. I don't know, this part right here. I probably could have placed this part. This is my bad. Also this one right here. See how there's a laser pointer in there? Well, that hole was originally too small and it couldn't fit the laser pointer, so I had to get a screwdriver and like gouge out like the hole, and it fits actually pretty well. Handles. I don't have them right now, but there'll be B-roll. There'll be 2 handles. Yep. So the B-roll is probably playing right now. These are both handles. I made this one, noticed it was too big, and then I went and designed this one, which is too small. But the funny thing is that this one right here is quite annoying and uncomfortable to use as a handle, but not annoying enough to warrant change. It's not worth it to go through the whole process of design and printing again. And I think with this Coilgun project, I'm gonna have a lot of this kind of situation where it's not how I want it to be, but it's also not bad enough that I need to change it. You know what I mean? Like yeah. Thanks if you watched until the end. I actually appreciate it. Hit post notifications because I want to like churn out these videos because they're so fun to make. What's so fun to make? Assembly. Next installment is going to be assembly, and the one after that is going to be electronics. Let's go! So assembly is going to be pretty fun, and electronics is going to be even more fun. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.